Okay, let's get you started with TaskFlow in just a few simple steps. First, create your account using your email and password. In seconds, you'll be inside your personal workspace. Next, create your first project. Give it a name, like website launch or marketing plan, and you're ready to organize your work. Now, start adding tasks. Break big goals into clear, manageable steps and assign deadlines to keep everything on track. Working with a team? Invite teammates in just one click so everyone can collaborate in the same space. That's it. Your workspace is set up and ready to go. In the next video, we'll explore the core feature that helps you stay on schedule and track progress effortlessly.
See you then.